Hi, this is a video.
Hey, it's Joel and Eric. Eric's the big one, I'm the short one.
Hi.
Joel.
Alright, we're gonna do an act. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Hey Eric, why don't you hold this ball?
Okay.
Welcome to McDonald's, may I have to get order?
Say your line!
No! Why'd you do that?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Oh! That's for yesterday. Wait up. Today.
Steve!
Be quiet. Camera.
Hi, Daddy! That's our dad.
Here's our dad, Steve. Muchacho.
See the funny noises he makes?
Okay, bye.
Oh, a little close.
Let's watch it.